Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find this section Personalization Settings, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the wallpaper, which should be on the second position, and as you can see right here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. What is more, at the very bottom of the screen you've got this gallery toggle, so you can simply tap on it and enter your own photos and obviously set them as a wallpaper. If you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply find the one you'd like to check and tap on it. And as you can see, we've got it on the full screen. Of course, if you want to, you can swipe to the right or to the left to change between the wallpapers. You do not have to go back. You can also tap on preview and check how it will look like on the lock screen, I believe, in this case. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. We've got this information so we can go back and check, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.